The Patriot Viper V765 mechanical keyboard boasts some impressive accolades, including being crowned Tom's Hardware's best overall keyboard for 3 consecutive years. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. This keyboard screams gamer aesthetic with its full spectrum, customizable RGB backlighting. The dedicated multimedia keys, especially the scroll wheel for volume control, are a welcome addition. Controlling the lighting and key customization is handled through Patriot Viper's own software, which offers a decent level of control. The real star of the show here is the Kale Box white switches. They offer a crisp, tactile click and noticeable bump, providing satisfying feedback with every key press. Beyond the feel, these switches boast an IP56 rating, meaning they're dust and moisture resistant, a huge plus for longevity and accident-prone gamers. The advertised fast actuation is definitely noticeable, contributing to a responsive gaming experience. The removable magnetic palm rest is a nice touch, offering comfortable support during long gaming sessions. It's easily attached and detached, catering to different preferences. The V765 also delivers on essential gaming features like N-key rollover and anti-ghosting across all 104 keys. This ensures every key press registers accurately, even during intense gameplay. While the keyboard is marketed towards gamers, the comfortable typing experience and robust build make it suitable for everyday use as well. Overall, the Patriot Viper V765 is a solid contender in the mechanical keyboard arena. The Kale Box white switches, combined with the durable construction and thoughtful features, make it a worthy investment for serious gamers and keyboard enthusiasts alike. However, the software could use some refinement for a more intuitive user experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.